again, CuteBeat. Now, let's get into the famous arm waving. Yes! Wave with your arms. You've seen many people do it. Yeah? And different wavers, poppers, liquid dancers, experimental dancers, they have their ways, different ways for the waving. But I'm gonna show you just basic. I'm gonna break it down. Okay? Well, first, just like isolation, just like how we did the isolation, you wanna know the range of motion of every joints. Your wrists go this way, right? This way. Also, when you put your hands stable, you can control your wrists this way. It's a little weird looking, but yeah, with your fingertips you can make square or circles, and you don't move your fingers, this part, your hands, and you can control your wrists. Elbows, usually we just use it this way, but we'll get into it later more. But for waving, have your palm down and slightly bend. We're gonna need to control our elbows this way. What? This way. Yeah, so you don't want it straight. You can't really go anywhere. So just relax and don't move your hand. You might want to have your hand on a table or somewhere stable, and then just try to move only your elbow up and down, up and down, up and down. Yeah, let's practice this side too. Don't move your hand, and slightly bend your elbow, and then turn it up and down, up and down. It's different from this or this. You're turning your elbow up. Yeah, it looks a little weird, but you'll get it. You can do it. Yeah. Now, we spent good time practicing our shoulders. So we got that. Up and down. Up and down. Up. Just one side. Side to side. And remember, this is a normal for your shoulders. And it can go higher and also lower. Now, waving is isolating your joints and making an illusion of water, the wave, the energy going through each part of your body. And you utilize that skill. Once you get that, you utilize that skill to visualize the music and express your feelings. You can do it smooth